Hi guys, this is Group 24's seniors dating app, and over here this is our first page where it gives us options to log in or sign up for an account for the seniors dating app. If you press login, it takes us to this page where it tells us to put in our email or password. We can put in an email, password, and also it gives us a option to forget our password. If we've forgotten our password, it will send us an email to our signed up email, giving us a chance to recreate our password. Since we don't have any email or password yet, an account yet, sorry, it won't let us log in. Suppose if we try to log in here, it says enter email and password. If we just put in anything, it should give us a incorrect information toasted, such as this incorrect password. Now once we go back, we will press sign up, and we can put in an email saying, for example, like this. We can put in a simple password, and we can press next. Once you press next, it asks us for our name. I can put Alistair. I can say mail on the 11th of 11th 2002. We can put our Rutland male. We can put looking for female. We can go next, and next page it tells us to tell us more about our interests, such as soccer. We can put likes such as soccer or chocolate. We can put spider, snakes, our dislikes, interest, and we can input this information. Soccer. We can just put in the same information as the hints, and we can go next. And now it asks us to upload a photo. If you click upload photo, it will take us to our library where we can select the photo. Over here, you would have your photos displayed. Since this is a sample, there aren't any photos in the gallery slash library of photos. So we will go back. Suppose we do upload a photo, we press next. You should go to the final page where it tells us to confirm we're not a robot and agree to the terms and conditions. Suppose if we disagree, it gives a toaster that we haven't agreed or passed the robot text, and once we press agree, we should be able to go next. So over here now we've come to our second task, which is matching after login. So we made the account, we've come to matching. Over here it shows us various users, their image. We can press back, like, skip on them, their name, age, their location, and some of their interests slash likes. Now we can press skip on this person, it will take us to the next one. Skip on this as well. Suppose we like this, and suppose we like this person. Seems like the second person we liked us back as well. So we have two options to continue matching or start chatting. If we press start chatting, it will take us to the chat function, while if we press continue chatting, it will take us back to the matching page where it will let us match with more people. For this one, let's say continue matching. Over here, since we only had 4 sample profiles, it tells us that we have to press match to return to the main page. Now, as you can see, this is a 4th one. We can also press back on users to return, back again, and since this was the first ever profile, it won't let us go back anymore. We can also filter based on male, female, distance, or age. Suppose we try to filter based on male and we apply. It will only show us filter our search only based on male. We can press skip and skip again. There's only 4 samples in this and there are 2 males only, so it tells us there's no more males left. We can go back and no more. This was the first one, so we can't go back further either. We can go to filter and reset our search, and it says that we reset the filter in the toast, and we've come back to the main page. Next up is chat. So in our bottom navigation, we press chat here. It takes us to the chat function. Likewise, in our bottom navigation, we can, whenever we want, return to the match page. So once we go to chat, it shows our matches currently, and for this sample we have Alex Ron and Morgan Freeman. We can press chat and start chatting with them if you want, and we can also we can check our invites and we can create groups. If we try pressing invites, it takes us to this invitations page where we displays our current invites. We can either accept or decline these. Let's try accepting the gaming group chat invite. It gives us a toast saying accepted invites. If we decline, likewise it says decline invite. Once we return, we go to create group. For instance, over here, group name, we can enter a group name that we want to create. So let's say outdoors activity, right? And next up, it tells us to send invitation to join from the list of people you have matched with. Over here, we can either press Alex Ron or Morgan Freeman, two of our sample matches. We can press neither, we can press one or the other. Now, if we try to create one without selecting someone, it gives a toast saying, please check someone to invite. So let's suppose we invite both of them. We're able to create the group. Now, once they accept our invite, it will give us another chat here with the outdoor activities title, where we will be able to chat with them in this group chat. Let's try chatting with someone now. Suppose Alex Ron, we click chat. It takes us to our chat with this person. There's many options like back, more option, call, video. It displays their name and profile picture and shows our current chat with them. Over here, we can also at the bottom chat with them and send messages saying, like say for instance, hello, how are you? And once we press send, it should send the chat and show us that we sent the message. Now, if you press more options here, it shows us more information about this match. It shows our interest in common, distance away from us, and some extra options such as unmatched, report, and block. We can do either of these. It will show us a toast that we reported them, or we blocked them, or we unmatched them. Let's try reporting, and as expected, it said reported Alex Ron. Likewise, we can chat with Morgan Freeman as well. It shows the chat. We can chat here with them saying hi, and it shows us that we sent that message. And more options, similarly, movies, anime, 10 kilometers away from us. We can unmatch, report, block. Now, unlike report and block, once we press unmatch, they should disappear from our chat. So let's try, and as expected, they disappeared, and we unmatched with Morgan Freeman. Lastly, for our fourth task, we selected settings. We select settings. Instead of settings here, we can try going back to match, which will take us to the main page, and over here we can press settings and it will bring us to our last task of verifying account. Over here on the settings page, it gives us various options like edit profile, update info, privacy settings, as well as logout. For this one, we'll try verifying our account. Over here it tells us to verify your account, please take 3 original photos according to the prompt. So the idea here is that the user will have to generate a random prompt like this, saying put up 4 fingers with this button. It can generate a random prompt and it will tell us to take a photo according to that. Now, through this, we will be able to make sure that people aren't catfishing, and verified accounts will help users be comfortable with matching with the person, since that means that we have proved that with our security steps that they are not catfishing. Now over here we can take the photo according to that prompt, and when we press take photo, it takes us to the gallery. Once we have taken photo, the photo will be available here, similarly from our previous task of uploading a photo. We go next to the second photo. We generate a random prompt like this. We can take the photo, similarly exact same process. We select the photo and we go next. Photo number 3, we generate a random prompt. It says lift your arm in the air and take a picture with your face. And then we go next. Now on this one, this is the final step of verifying people's email. Email will be sent to them. However, if they haven't received one, they can press send email again, and it will send them email and give them a toast saying that an email has been resent. Now we click finish. We can obviously always go back to previous ones and redo the photo if you would like, but once we are done here, we can press the finish button and it will take us to a page saying verification complete, and it says thank you for verifying. We will get back to you in 3 days. And once that is verified, their images and everything, their profile will be verified. And that's all for our online dating apps 4 tasks. Thank you.